Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off international data roaming on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is heading into the settings app of your phone. So open up the settings, and the first and easiest way that we can do it is tap on cellular. And if you're in another country, you can completely turn off cellular data. This means only Wi-Fi will work where you're at, and it won't even try to connect to your cell data. However, let's say you're in your country, in the United States or whatever country you live, but you just want to make sure it only stays with your carrier. You can toggle this back on, and instead of roaming being on, you can tap on it and just tap off the data roaming. This will prevent any data roaming from other carriers. However, I would also recommend going back out here because your phone could potentially connect to cell data. You can see it says automatically use cell data when Wi-Fi connectivity is poor. So even if you're connected to some Wi-Fi network, it could automatically switch over to cell data, potentially using up that. So if that is turned on, I would recommend turning this off so that you don't use up that cell data when you don't want to use it. After you've done that, keep in mind you will still get text messages internationally even if you don't want them. So you can turn that off just by scrolling down to the bottom, tapping on apps, and then scrolling down until you get to messages. This is really helpful when you travel internationally. All you need to do is scroll down and you can see an option that says, where is it? RCS messaging or retry as text messages. Make sure to turn both of these off. And by turning both of these off, you can go back out here and you'll be able to send and receive text messages using your iMessage, which is through your Wi-Fi internet connection, but it won't go directly through a cell carrier, especially if you're international and you're not a place that you want to be able to send and receive text messages. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.